after I've closed all my trades, guys, you can see we made a profit of 10 US 10,000 USD, guys, and as you can see, and some more. And our trade has been really great with Nasdaq or US Tech share, and as you can see, we have been making real nice profit the whole of the day. But we have been opening massive and massive lot lot sizes, and just scalping up and down, scalping US. Nasdaq, guys. You can see we made the really nice profit, opening probably many positions, not almost once, but we try by all means to buy and sell here, buy and sell there. It's always scalping. You can see our first stop loss was hit here with the 129 US dollar stop loss, and also here with 97 and some more 50, and also we have this stop loss here with us hit also. And you can see we have been losing few trades. So far this is the fifth trade, sixth trade, and probably 9 now. And today we begin our day with some big losses, but we come back really big. We come back really bigger than before, guys. You can see we made about 10,000 profit today. At the end of the whole week, today is Wednesday. Since Monday, we've deposited 3,682, but so far we made about 15,000 profit in just 3 days. That's massive, guys. And if you go to check it out yourself, you can see exactly how much money we just made by trading Forex and actually just trading this future with the best trading strategy. And if you like this type of trading videos, just keep watching the whole video, where you're gonna see more of the trading of today, the entries, and why I've entered those positions, guys. And probably you just wanna subscribe to our channel and like this video, because we have a lot of videos on this channel that teach you how to trade. Just check them out. We don't hide anything from you. We give our quality strategies to you. The strategy that we use is exactly up to you to grab it. Just watch our video, guys. You will eventually just understand how we do this trading stuffs and how we accumulate this lot of money each and every day, just trading for 3 days. And we made about 15,000 in profit. That's really massive from a 3,000 deposit, and that's a really huge profit from Forex trading, guys. You can see I'm just scrolling up and down, back and forth. I'm just scrolling, guys, just showing you exactly how we have made enough money just within this week, guys. And this really amazing. As you can see, this really amazing, guys. And you just don't want to check this out. Just don't want to check this out. Okay, guys. Anyways, we still have some running trades. You probably can see running trades here. It's a mistake, guys. Shouldn't be here. As you can see, we have running trade. Our trades here were just being fueled. Actually, it's a long-term run. As you can see, it looks exactly like this with the Quasimodo we analyzed on the first part of the video. Probably, as you can see, we are running really just good trades today, and we do not want to take losses. So you can see we are running our take profit. Our first take profit should probably be on here on that's resistance. And also we can take our second profit. If I can hold at least a layer somewhere here, we take a dead supply above there, and also a resistance, guys. As you can see, we're doing really great. And if you like this type of video, just keep watching other videos on this channel. They are exactly what I have just told you, how we made money using divergency as our first strategy, guys. You can see awesome escalator divergency, and also at the same time this is a Quasimodo setup. And probably you're just gonna check out the other videos. This is exactly how I used to trade, and these videos are on the same channel, and you guys are free to grab those strategies. You are free to grab those strategy, guys. And this is how we make money, guys. This is how we make money. There is nothing back and forth here. We trade exactly using the best trading strategy that we have, and the trades that we have adopted, and we stick to that. If it didn't meet our setup, so what? we let it play, we let it go. So if we made our setup, we trade exactly how we plan to trade. And so far we are confident. We are confident on the amount of money that we're making, on the amount of profit that we are making every day. We are trading high risk positions because we know exactly what we are doing. But you shouldn't be trading those risk positions, but you should try this method out. It's actually a divergency strategy, and also using a divergence using an awesome oscillator. That's the best strategy I've ever used. And then you can also use a Quasimodo setup, a support and resistance, and supply and demand. Those are the things that we have used in these videos. Just check our videos on the same channel. That is exactly the same method that we use over and over again to make this amount of money. And we are not bluffing. We are being real because we use this in trading and every day. As you can see, we are growing bigger. Sorry guys for the background sound. There is a construction just close here, and I'm going to hold this position for probably sometimes. I'm going to hold this probably sometimes. It's not really a scalp. I will take it's a scalp, but yeah, it's a longer scalp. Actually, I can even scalp for 30 minutes. I usually scalp for 30 minutes. I'm used to that. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I do most of this are just 30 minutes scalp. So I'm gonna hold this a little bit because it's late. I'm done with my trading today. If I'm gonna lose $1,000 here, I don't care. For real. I really don't. But I'm just gonna insert my stop loss, guys. My stop loss is probably going to be just below here. Probably just going to be a bit below here, guys. You can see just somewhere here, and then my take profit will be there. So you can see we are losing some amount of money, but we know exactly what we are doing. If you guys like this type of video, you like watching this type of trading videos, best trading strategy that can help you make money in Forex, guys, you are welcome. Just keep watching, subscribe to the channel, like the video in appreciation. That's all we wanna get from you guys. And as you can see, we've been doing this. We've been doing this, and we still have another account running in massive profit. This the account for risky, guys. That's why it's growing faster. 3,000 deposits for the first week, and now we made this amount of money. That's massive. Okay, so just keep following us, guys, and we're actually gonna learn a lot from us trading using our best strategies ever that we have developed. Don't worry about the running trade. We know what you're doing exactly, and we know our profit will be booked in just few minutes. If you guys like this video, I can see you again in the next video. Bye bye.